Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Melina. Thank you so much for being here. And also, if you've been here a while, you know that today is Saturday and we are doing a live premiere. So every Saturday I premiere my videos around 9 or 9:30 and I try to have them up early enough so that you guys can see exactly what time they're going to be premiered. But if you're watching right now in the premiere, I am watching and chatting with y'all while we are driving home from Houston. So that's kind of fun. But I did have to pre-film these. I don't want to carry all of my stuff and supplies there. And I also just want to be ahead on our finances, as well as like just keep it going and stay on track. So that is why I decided to pre-film, and luckily enough, we were blessed enough to be able to do this and just kind of like play around with our budget, and that is what we were doing today. So let's go ahead and jump into this cash stuffing. First, we are going to be jumping into my wallet as always, and I went ahead and took the $20 out that was actually in groceries because I just did my other cash stuffing, and so there's not gonna be anything in here, but I will prep my wallet for Houston because we will be taking money from several different categories: family fun, travel, the 4th of July envelope, all of that. And then we also help out with groceries. So this particular week, we're only gonna be stuffing $60 for groceries. So 20, 40, and 60. My kids are home, so they're probably building a tent or doing something back there. So we're just gonna leave that in there, and that is it for my wallet until I stuff it off camera. I almost forgot, I got some Happy Meal and I really wanna open it for you guys, so let me grab it real quick. I think I know who this is from, but I also couldn't tell you. Like, I know I've spoken to somebody, but we're gonna have to open it to figure it out. So I'm gonna grab my scissors real quick, make sure nothing's up here at the top. Absolutely love these scissors. They're from Target if you guys want them. They're just like very sharp, very sturdy, definitely worth the money. So let's see what's in here. Oh, she left me a little note. Oh, this is from Angie. Yay. Okay, so there's nothing else in here. This is from Angie. Oh my gosh. So I absolutely love this lady. She is so sweet. And guys, go subscribe to her channel. She is a breath of fresh air. And she deserves it. She is a girl's girl, which is so important to me, and just the sweetest. So thank you so much, Angie, for sending this to me. It was so kind of you. And I will leave her information down below, but she goes by Angie's Finance on YouTube. And she left me this sweet little note. So it says, "Hi Melina, you are such a bright light in the community. Your positivity radiates in every video and I love watching your channel. Please enjoy these goodies from my shop. Love, Angie." Thank you so much, girl. That's literally all I tried to do. So I really appreciate it. I'm already like obsessed. Yes, girl. Ooh, this sticker is oh, that is high quality. I hate ripping into stickers, but you know, it's gotta be done. But does it have to be done? Hold on. I feel like we can't ruin it. I'm gonna be that person. I want to save the sticker. Or at least just not, you know, break into it. Yay, okay. So we have a color slip sitting here on the top. So I love that, girl. Your aesthetic is so cute. So yes, I will totally use that. She also has a paper debt payoff savings challenge, and that's really cool. So it looks like the old style bank. So super cute. And then, ooh, these are laminated and they feel so nice. Okay, so this is a 1,000 savings challenge. Save in 3 months. Month 1, month 2, month 3. Oh, okay. Okay, so it's like these 4, and this is just the cover for them. And then you have month 1, so 84, 60, 110, and 80. 93. These are, I would say, like medium to high numbers. You can definitely do these though. Oh my gosh, 50. Yes, I love this. It's so good quality. Definitely amazing quality. So definitely go support her little shop. Let me, ooh, this is so pretty. I love your icons. Oh, this cupcake. Okay, so it has birthday, little cute cupcakes, and you get to set how much each cupcake is worth and the total. I'm actually setting these over here, so we'll do that. And then vacation, definitely could use this with cute little suitcase. I love that. And then treat yourself. This is so cute. And I don't even know if it was like focused over here. So let me show you that one again, the birthday one. And then treat yourself. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, Angie, this is amazing. Thank you so much for sending these to me. I will use these. You know, like, here's the thing. I know that I've got to shop, but at the same time, I love seeing y'all's shops and y'all's things. And I definitely am going to try to do my best to incorporate y'all's into my savings challenges as well, because just to like spread the love. And then I love these, like, so cute. So, I will be using them. Thank you so much, girlfriend, and we will chat soon. Next, we have my taupe binder. And we already stuffed fully for groceries in the wallet. Clothing is getting skipped. Household is going to be getting $10. So household now has 20, what am I doing? Holy moly, let's make sure this is all in order. Okay, household now has 50, 70, 80, 90, 100, 15, 110, 111, yes. So $111, is that right? Yeah, I think so. Okay, pet care is getting $20. And pet care now has 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, $79. Haircut is getting skipped. Beauty is going to be getting 15. So we've got 10 and 15. So beauty has 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, $65. My envelope, Dalton, and date night eventually is not going to be getting stuffed. Gas is going to be getting $50 because we're definitely going to need it on our trip. So 2 20s and 2 5s. Oops. So gas has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 150, 155, 160, 165, 170, 175, 180. $180. Vehicle maintenance is getting skipped, and date night we said we're skipping. Family fun is going to be getting $10. So family fun now has 100, 10, 20, 30, 35, 135. I think we want to take the boys to the NASA thing in Houston. So we've never been, and I think they would absolutely enjoy that. Eating out is going to be getting $10. This is just going to kind of like help with stopping at the gas station, like to and from. So 10, 20, 25, 26, $27. And that is it for my taupe binder. Now moving into the kids binder. Kids is going to be getting $5. So kids now has 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50. $50. Oh, nope. That happens to me too often. So 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90. Much better. $90 for kids. Mason is going to be getting $5. So he has 20, 30, 45, $45. Yep. Madden is going to be getting his $5. And he now has 20, 30, 40, 55. Back to school is going to be getting $5. So back to school has 100, 150, 160, 65, 70. $170. School expenses is going to be getting $5. So school expenses now has 20, 30, 35, 40. And sports is going to be getting $20. Sports now has 100, 200, 250, 270, 290, 310, 330, 350, 355. Okay. And that is it for my kids binder. Moving on to, oh, she's already open. Moving on to my olive binder. Organizing is getting skipped. Beverages is getting $20. So beverages now has 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, which I think is perfect for our week trip. You guys are seeing this when we are already done, and I will talk more about it in my other videos. But yes, we need beverages when we are at the pool all day long. It is so nice. Nails is going to be getting its $20, so 20, 40, 60. Concerts is getting 15. So is that, yeah. Concerts has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 30, 40, 50, 65, $165. Gardening, home decor, and medical are getting skipped. 10th anniversary is our month ahead challenge that we're doing. And then, well, not month ahead, it's the yearly monthly challenge. And then birthday parties, we're actually skipping the rest of the categories in this binder. It's just, we don't have as much that we're stuffing this week, so we make some cuts throughout the binders. We don't always stuff every envelope. Next, we have holidays and summer. So in this binder, we are gonna go straight to Halloween and see, we haven't left yet. And Halloween, we are going to be stuffing $20. So we get to fill in 2 of these cute little ghosts. So 20. And I will speed this up for y'all. Okay, so filled in our 2 little ghost friends. And while this dries, we will count this up real quick. So Halloween now has 100, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, $155. I don't know what it is, but costumes have always just been so expensive, and they're not, like, what is it about the quality? Like, why hasn't anybody said anything about this? So Halloween is done, and then we're going to do Prime Days real quick. And Prime Days is going to be getting $10. So Prime Days now has 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, $105. And if that sounds familiar, it's because we took out the 10 last week we thought we were stuffing because I found a star note. And so it's basically the same now. Christmas Eve is getting skipped, and Christmas is going to be getting its $30. So let's get the $30. There we go. And then I do want to go ahead and fill in this tree so it can dry. Air it out just for a second. And then Christmas now has 300, 400 in the bank, 20, 40, 60, 80, 500, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50. So $550 for Christmas, which is so good. Can y'all believe we're halfway to Christmas? I just did that. More than halfway, actually. New Year's Eve is getting skipped, and then summer is getting its $48. So 20, 40, 5, 6, 7, and $8. So summer now has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So $240 saved for next summer's camp for both of the boys, and I definitely need to condense this. But that is it for summer. Oh look, it's trying to come out. Yep, it is time for holidays and summer. Next we have the savings binder. And we did skip roll the dice this for this week. And then, let's see, birthday tracker. We are going to be doing the birthday tracker. I wanna do $10. So I've got 10 there. And you're using this to fill in the icing, because like each part of this icon you could use for like an amount if you really wanted to for like the whole year. And so that's what I'm gonna do. And now we have $30. Come on, there we go. So $30 for birthday. And then we are going to jump back here to July. Yes, right here. And July needs $100, so we've got that right here. And to be completely honest, I have no idea why I have this $5 sitting here. I mean, it's better to have extra, right? And for me, I wanna use the wet erase one. For me, like, I don't fret when there's more on my tray. I just simply put it where maybe there's a higher need. So like, since we are about to go to Houston, y'all are seeing this after the fact, maybe I throw it into snacks and eating out. Maybe I throw it into like me and my husband getting a coffee on the way, like whatever. And so now July has 100, 150, 170, 175. So $175. Yeah, I'm just gonna still stick it behind because I don't want my envelope to get too smeared right now. It'll be fine. And that is it for my savings binder. Okay guys, well that is it for today's video. If you have watched to the very end, thank you so much. And if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button right here on the right side of your screen. It's a little button on my face, and I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Bye.